Hello everyone. After a long time, me and my roommate are planning to cook and we are planning for tempura. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, this is sweet potato. Potato. Pulla on it. Crispy, this golden tempura. Crispy. Ooh. Pinot. Wow. Oh, flip. Yee. Good too. गाजर कस्तो भयो त हेर्न त राम्रो छ यार मुखो pumpkin मेन कुरा उतै चाहियो wow मिठो मिठो गुड हो गुड ओके so mushrooms goes in coat with batter into the oil. Wow. Wow. Dipping sauce, show you. Wow. So this one here is we have this mushroom tempura. Super hot, super tasty. Want to try some?
Tare matra chaina bro hamro. Tare.
Need one tare and we can eat anything. Carrot tempura.
Halka bhayo bro kotro saino gaड्यो.
त्यो ट्राल हो नि त त्यसले सानो गाड्यो
Tempura pasal kono kono लाग्छ. Sabarmai. नेपाली tempura guarma गर्नु. Working in Guarani Pasal since
Trying for the first time, so it's a bit dirty, but it's okay.
No, not professional.
Sure. Once in a blue moon, homemade tempura.
Jiri manla Jiri pito.
Pito, chini, I don't know. Never tried. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the crazy making of homemade tempura. We really had fun cooking once in a blue or yellow moon, whatever. But we bought a lot of stuff for the tempura and we couldn't finish all the veggies. We made curry out of it and we ate it till the next day. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. So see you next time in my next video. Till then, take care and sayonara. Bye bye.